Medical device manufacturing demands the highest levels of precision, quality, and regulatory compliance. From product design to final delivery, every process must be fully traceable and carefully managed. PMTechERP is a comprehensive manufacturing ERP solution designed specifically to help medical device manufacturers streamline operations while meeting stringent industry standards. The platform integrates procurement, material planning, production scheduling, inventory management, quality control, and supply chain operations into a single, intelligent system. With real-time visibility across every department, manufacturers can improve efficiency, reduce production delays, and make faster, data-driven decisions. PMTechERP supports multi-level bill of materials management, engineering change control, work order management, production planning, and real-time shop floor monitoring. Advanced inventory management ensures critical components are always available while minimizing excess stock and reducing operational costs. Quality and compliance are built into every stage of the manufacturing process. The system provides complete batch and serial number traceability, in-process and final quality inspections, document management, audit trails, and non-conformance tracking to help manufacturers meet regulatory requirements and maintain consistent product quality. It also supports standards such as ISO, FDA, and GMP compliance with comprehensive documentation and reporting capabilities. Powerful dashboards and real-time analytics give management complete visibility into production performance, resource utilization, inventory levels, and overall business operations. Whether you manufacture diagnostic equipment, surgical instruments, implants, laboratory devices, or other healthcare products, PMTechERP adapts to your unique manufacturing requirements. Transform your medical device manufacturing with PMTechERP, an intelligent ERP solution that improves productivity, ensures compliance, enhances product quality, and drives sustainable business growth in today's highly regulated healthcare industry. Medical device manufacturing demands the highest levels of precision, quality, and regulatory compliance. From product design to final delivery, every